Hello everyone. Welcome to WB English Connect. If you have just completed your Class 10 secondary exams and are pondering over which subjects to choose next, especially in the arts stream, you're in the right place. Today we'll explore the various subjects offered under the arts stream by the West Bengal Council of Higher Secondary Education and help you make an informed decision for your future. So let's get started. Before we dive into the specifics of each subject, it's essential to understand what the arts stream is all about. The arts stream, also known as Humanities, delves into the study of human society, culture, and expression. It is a diverse field that offers a range of subjects focusing on different aspects of human life and society. Under West Bengal Higher Secondary Board, students typically select 2 language subjects, 1 first language and 1 second language. Your first language can be Bengali or Hindi, any other language offered by the board, and usually English is taken as the second language. In addition to languages, you will choose 3 elective subjects from a variety of disciplines such as history, political science, philosophy, etc. You also have the option to pick 1 optional elective subject that complements your main electives. The choice of subjects can vary depending on the specific offerings of your school. Now that you have a basic understanding of the arts stream, let's delve deeper into the core elective subjects. These are the subjects that form the backbone of the arts curriculum and provide you with a solid foundation in the humanities. Number 1. History. History is the study of past events, civilizations, and significant historical figures. It explores various periods, from ancient times to the present day, examining how societies evolved and how key events have shaped our world. Number 2. Political science. Political science is the study of political systems, governance, and political theories. It covers topics like political ideologies, international relations, and public policy, helping you understand how governments function and how citizens participate in politics. Number 3. Philosophy. Philosophy is a fascinating subject that delves into fundamental questions about existence, knowledge, ethics, and reality. It encourages critical thinking and helps you develop logical reasoning and persuasive arguments. Number 4. Geography. Geography is the study of Earth's landscapes, environments, and the relationships between people and their environments. It encompasses physical geography, which examines natural features, and human geography, which focuses on human populations and their interactions with the environment. Number 5. Economics. Economics is the analysis of the production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. Microeconomics focuses on individual economic decision-making, while macroeconomics examines larger economic systems and policies. Number 6. Sociology. Sociology is the examination of social behavior, society patterns, of social relationships, and culture. It explores how individuals interact within groups and institutions and how societal structures influence people's lives. Number 7. Psychology. Psychology is the scientific study of the mind and behavior, including both conscious and unconscious phenomena. It covers topics like human development, motivation, and social psychology. Number 8. Education. Education is an interdisciplinary subject that explores teaching methods, learning processes, and educational systems. It covers topics like educational psychology, curriculum development, and the sociology of education. Number 9. Sanskrit. Sanskrit is the study of ancient Indian language and literature. It covers grammar, phonetics, and the rich literary heritage of Sanskrit texts. Number 10. Music. Music is the study of musical theory, history, and performance. It can encompass various genres and students may learn to play instruments, compose music, or conduct choirs. Number 11. Visual arts. Visual arts involve the study of art forms such as painting, sculpture, photography, and design. It nurtures creativity and helps students develop their artistic skills and aesthetic appreciation. Number 12. Modern computer application. This subject introduces students to the basics of computer operations, applications, and common software tools. It's designed to equip students with essential digital literacy skills. Now that you're familiar with the subjects, it's essential to understand some recent updates to the curriculum. The West Bengal Council of Higher Secondary Education Wbchse periodically reviews reviews and updates the syllabus to ensure it remains relevant and comprehensive. One notable change is the updated syllabus for English A and B. The literature component has been revised to include a wider range of authors and texts, reflecting the diversity and richness of English literature. Additionally, the grammar component has been revamped to focus on practical aspects of language usage, preparing students for effective communication in academic and professional settings. Another significant update is the revised syllabus for history and political science. These subjects now include more contemporary topics and global perspectives. The approach to learning has shifted towards analysis and evaluation, encouraging students to think critically about historical events and their significance. Furthermore, the philosophy and sociology syllabi have been revised to emphasize critical thinking and application-based learning. Students are now encouraged to apply sociological concepts to real-world situations and to engage with philosophical ideas that challenge their perspectives. The education syllabus has also been updated to integrate modern educational theories, learning outcomes, and the latest developments in the field of education. As you choose your subjects, it's important to consider the assessment and examination pattern. Understanding how you'll be evaluated will help you focus your studies effectively. Theory exams. Most subjects will have a theory exam that carries 80 marks. These exams will focus on your knowledge and understanding of the subject matter. To prepare for them, it's essential to study thoroughly, make concise notes, and practice past-year papers. In some subjects like geography and psychology, there will be practical exams. These exams will test your ability to apply your knowledge to real-world situations or perform experiments. Practical exams often carry 20 marks. Additionally, certain subjects may require project work. Project work usually involves conducting research on a specific topic and presenting it in a report or other formats. Project work aims to assess your research and analytical skills and typically carries 20 marks. Now that you know about the subjects and the assessment pattern, let's discuss some sample subject combinations. These combinations can give you an idea of the diverse options available to you. Remember, the best combination is the one that aligns with your interests and goals. Combination 1, First Language, Bengali, Second Language. English, History, Political Science, Philosophy, Optional Education. This combination provides a strong foundation in the humanities with a focus on social sciences and philosophy. Combination 2, First Language, Hindi, Second Language, English, Geography, Economics, Sociology, Optional, Modern Computer Application. This combination offers a blend of social sciences, geography, and computer applications. Combination 3, First Language, Bengali, Second Language, English, Psychology, Education, Music, Optional, Visual Arts. This combination includes a mix of social sciences, education, and the arts, making it suitable for those interested in both academic and creative pursuits. When choosing your subjects, it's essential to keep your career goals in mind. The arts stream opens doors to various career pathways. If you're interested in academia, you can pursue higher studies in your chosen field. For those who aspire to serve their country, the civil services offer rewarding opportunities. Subjects like history, political science, and geography can be particularly beneficial if you plan to sit for competitive exams like Wbchse, UPSC, Ugc, NET, UPSC, etc. Furthermore, an arts background can lead to careers in writing, journalism, music, and fine arts. The education sector offers roles such as teachers, counselors, and educational administrators. Lastly, with a degree in sociology or social work, you can find fulfilling careers in social work, community service, and non-governmental organizations (NGOs). In conclusion, the arts stream is a gateway to exploring the complexities of human society, culture, and expression. Whether you're drawn to history, literature, philosophy, or social sciences, there's a subject that will spark your interest. Remember to choose subjects that align with your passions, strengths, and future aspirations. As you embark on this exciting journey, always stay curious, embrace challenges, and strive for excellence. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. We've got lots of insightful content coming up that you won't want to miss out on. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Take care.